Let's start with Mimic View Update Wizard. Click Next and open the iOS enhancement branch. The package we are going to install is called CLI NetCF. After that, browse and open the agent configuration file called CLI netconf.cfg. There are two agents. Start the first one and select the agent trace for SSH program. The NetConf management client is provided by the TailF system. You can find the download website here. Make sure you have the compatible Ubuntu 18.04. When you run the TailF netconf-console program for the first time, after installing the confd program, you are going to likely get an error in the client itself. What you need to do is to install the Python pip program in Ubuntu. Then pip install the Paramako program. Then you need to install the lib xml2 utils Ubuntu package. Then you get the correct XML response of the agent running configuration.